Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to British Expressway. And today we are just going to talk about a new lesson today. And the lesson is we are going to talk about abilities here. And how to talk about the abilities? To define an abilities in a simple manner, we have a best way to talk about this is able to. Able to is used to talk about the work which you can do and you can't do. This is called able to. Ability is used when we talk about abilities, like in a simple manner. How to use? Firstly, let's talk about the rule. The rule is here. Firstly, we will talk about subject, then simple helping verb here is, am and are. Then we have to use able to, and then a verb, and then object. Remember one thing, we will use here first form of the verb. Let's have some examples. Like if I just talk about myself, I am able to speak in English. It means I can speak in English. Next is, if I talk about my sister, she is able to cook food. It means here I am just talking about, yes, she can cook food. If I just talk about plural, then I use they are able to walk. Yes, they are able to walk. It means they can walk. Maybe they got accident and now after the operation they can walk properly. It means they are able to walk here. Okay. Now let's talk about some negative sentences. To prepare negative sentences, what we have to do, we have to follow the same rule as we have discussed in found of, but it would be changed. To prepare a negative sentence, we have to use subject, helping verb. As we have discussed, the helping verb is here, is are. So helping verb plus not, and then we first, and then object. Like if I just talk about my upper sentences, here I am able to speak in English. But now if I want to talk about that, no, I can't, then I can say in a simple way, I am not able to speak. It means I can't speak. Let's have one more example. Like they are very old, then I can say they are not able to walk. Here I'm just talking about like they can't walk. They are old. They are too old. They can't walk. They don't have the power to walk. It means they are not able to walk. Let's have to talk about interrogative sentences here. To talk about the interrogative sentences, as we have already discussed that if a sentence starts with kya, I never use what. So that's why we will discuss about interrogative sentences here. Here if I want to ask some questions related to someone's ability and I want to ask that are they able to do or not, then we have to use helping verb first, then subject, then able to, then we first, and then object. At the end we have to put a question mark. Like I want to know about Rahul's ability, then I can ask, is Rahul able to speak in English? Next, if I want to talk about your abilities, then I can ask, are you able to read English? Got it? And then we have to put a question mark. In the same way, we have to discuss about plural. So we have to remember one thing: with a singular person, I will use is first. With a plural, I will use are first, and with I will use am first. Like, are you able to sing song? Is your father able to go to office alone? Is she able to drive car? Are they able to complete homework at time? So this is the way that how to prepare interrogative sentences. Let's talk about the practice. How we can practice? We can practice with a single verb, and I can prepare 3 sentences like affirmative, negative and interrogative. Like, they are able to do this. They are not able to do this. Are they able to do this? She is able to cook food. She is not able to cook food. Is she able to cook food? So in the same way, we have to practice. We can ask about others' abilities if you want. So please, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. And if you have any doubt, you can comment us. You can ask us that what is your doubt. Definitely we will clear your doubts. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.